Do you know your rights as a passenger in Indonesia? This video will delve into the Law of the Republic of Indonesia, number 8 of 1999, on consumer protection. We'll distill this complex piece of legislation, focusing on the rights you hold as a passenger. From safety and security to comfort, we'll break down what you're entitled to when you step onto any mode of transport within the country. So, buckle up, and stay tuned to learn about your rights and how to protect them. Before diving into passenger rights, it's essential to understand what this law is all about. The Law of the Republic of Indonesia. Number 8 1999 on consumer protection is a crucial piece of legislation. Born out of a need to safeguard consumers, it was enacted at the turn of the millennium. This law stands as a testament to Indonesia's commitment to protecting its consumers, including passengers using various modes of transportation. The law's primary purpose is to ensure fair trade practices and to prevent any potential harm to consumers. It encompasses a broad array of sectors, from goods and services to advertising and contracts. It's a comprehensive piece of legislation that has had a significant impact on consumer rights in Indonesia, helping to instill a culture of respect and responsibility among businesses and service providers. Now that we have a grasp of the law's background, let's move on to passenger rights. Safety first, isn't it? Let's see what the law says about passenger safety. The Republic of Indonesia, under its Consumer Protection Law of 1999, makes it quite clear. Passengers have the right to safety. This law applies to all modes of transportation, be it by land, sea, or air. It mandates transportation providers to ensure their vehicles are well maintained and safe for travel. Moreover, it obligates them to provide safety measures like seatbelts in cars, life jackets in boats, and safety briefings in airplanes. In the unlikely event of an accident, the law also ensures that passengers receive necessary medical assistance. If these safety standards aren't met, passengers have the legal right to lodge complaints and seek redress. So, next time you board a vehicle, remember you're not just a passenger but a protected consumer. So, as a passenger, you have a right to safety. But what about security? Security is just as important as safety. Here's what the law has to say. The Law of the Republic of Indonesia, number 8 1999 on consumer protection, underlines the rights of passengers to absolute security. This means during your journey, any harm or loss that you may encounter is the responsibility of the service provider. This law dictates an obligation on service providers to prioritize passenger security above all else. It encompasses protection from both physical and non-physical harm. Physical harm could be anything from theft to assault, whereas non-physical harm could include breach of privacy or data theft. The law mandates service providers to implement stringent security measures to ensure passenger safety. It also holds them accountable for any security mishaps that may occur during the journey. The law empowers passengers to report any security issues they might experience. It also provides a framework for seeking compensation in the event of a security breach. Clearly, the law takes passenger security seriously. But how about comfort? Comfort might seem like a luxury, but it's a right under Indonesian law. Let's delve into the specifics. The Law of the Republic of Indonesia. Number 8 1999 on consumer protection doesn't just ensure your safety and security, it also guarantees your comfort. This comfort extends to a number of areas. For instance, the law mandates sufficient seat space. This means that overcrowded vehicles aren't just an inconvenience, they're a breach of your rights. The law also insists on maintaining cleanliness within the vehicle, contributing to a more pleasant travel experience. Additionally, the law requires service providers to offer a certain standard of service. This means that from the moment you step onto the vehicle until you alight, you should receive courteous and professional service. So, as a passenger in Indonesia, you have a right to safety, security, and comfort. Remember, knowing your rights is the first step in protecting them. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? We dove into the Law of the Republic of Indonesia, numbered 8 1999 on consumer protection, focusing on passenger rights. We explored the importance of safety measures, the assurance of security, and the necessity of comfort during travel. These factors are not just courtesies, they are legal obligations. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, your rights as a passenger are protected by law. Thanks for watching.